Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to give the Duolingo English Test online. First, open Google Chrome and search for Duolingo English Test. Now, click on the first link that shows up. Then, click on Sign Up from the top right corner. Here, click on Sign Up with Google. Now, choose the Google account you want to use, then click on Continue. After that, click on Continue again to move forward. Now, select why you're interested in taking the English test. Then, choose when you plan to take the rest. Next, select how you heard about Duolingo. You can pick up to 3 options. Once that's done, click on Buy Now to purchase the test. Here, you'll see the test quantity option. 1 test costs $70 and 2 tests cost $59 each. Choose the one you want, then click on Continue. Now, choose when you want the results. Same-day results cost $39 and 2 days results are free. Then, click on Continue. Now, enter your payment details. First, type in your email address and choose your country or region. Then enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you've filled everything in, complete the payment to confirm your test. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.